Alright, Brian from Garage Mall. Today we are changing, actually tonight, we are changing the air filter on our Hummer H2. Pretty simple. The only thing is you got to remove this bracket because it kind of gets in the way of making a good tight seal on that. So, handy dandy socket set. I'm not sure what size this is. Pretty sure it's not a 7, so we're gonna say 12 maybe. Nope. 14. Nope. It's gonna be 13. Okay. Not taking them out all the way, just need enough. Just need enough room to get that in there. And we need a screwdriver for that. Oh, here it is. And that bracket comes out relatively easy. Now, I put the other screw inside the truck yesterday while we were sizing everything. Alright, so basically you pull it out this way, and this one you can tell is pretty beat. And then you want the seal going in this way. No matter what side it goes on. Okay. Push it forward, and then there's a little locking tab. 2 tabs at the bottom. And you'll feel it go in. There we go. Okay. And there are 2. I guess that's a good way to get some light. There's 2 tabs in there at the bottom, so you want to make sure that the air filter's sitting against that. And then we'll slip this cover back in. And you want to make sure it sits in that ridge in the back. Let's take this out completely. All right. So we can lift that up. Slide it in the way it's supposed to slide in. There we go. And then that's nice and tight in there. And then we got this other screw that goes onto the other side. Same spot, but on there. Okay, let's screw this down. So that's nice and tight. And let's put these screws back in place. Okay, and there you go, your Hummer H2 filter replacement. in about 10 minutes.